To find documentation for the Uniswap router, start by visiting the official Uniswap website. From there, navigate to the Uniswap documentation section, which provides detailed information on the protocol, including the router contract. The Uniswap documentation is extensive and covers various topics, including developer guides, API references, and technical explanations. For specific information on the Uniswap router, look for the Uniswap v2 documentation or Uniswap v3 documentation. Depending on the version you are working with, these sections provide detailed explanations of the router contract, including its functions, parameters, and usage examples. Another valuable resource is the Uniswap GitHub repository, where you can find the source code for the Uniswap protocol, including the router contract. The GitHub repository also contains issue trackers, where you can find discussions and solutions to common problems. Additionally, the Uniswap developer portal provides a range of resources, including tutorials, guides, and code examples, to help you get started with building on Uniswap. The portal also includes a section on the Uniswap router, with explanations of how to use it and examples of how to integrate it into your application. When working with the Uniswap router, it is essential to follow best practices, such as reading and understanding the documentation, testing your code thoroughly, and using established libraries and frameworks. By following these best practices, you can ensure that your application is secure, reliable, and efficient. In summary, to find documentation for the Uniswap router, visit the official Uniswap website, navigate to the documentation section, and look for the Uniswap v2 or Uniswap v3 documentation. You can also find valuable resources on the Uniswap GitHub repository and the Uniswap developer portal. By following best practices and using these resources, you can build robust and reliable applications on the Uniswap protocol.